5, 6, 7, 8.
Well, the first thing I remember was the smell of burning cinders and the sound of that old whistle on the wind. I always wondered where the train was going, but I never cared at all where it had been. Yeah, first chance I got, I was gone like a shot, following that old dream of mine. My only desire was to catch that flyer and ride it till the end of the line. Well, my life is like a Dixie flight, she don't ever look back. So pour